Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to add the flight details. In this class, I am going to teach ticket inventory. So let's go to the Airline project. This is the project. Here, go to the package. Here I am going to right click new. I am going to create the J internal frame form. Here I am going to give the name as ticket. Right, ticket. Click finish. Right, your form has been created successfully. Here what I am going to do is here I am going to add the thing as here I am going to create. First I am going to go to the palette, get one group box, panel, get one panel. Here right click properties. Here I am going to this border. Here I am to select as title border. Title I am going to change as select country. Right, select country. Click. If you want to increase the size, you will be able to, with bold 12, you will be able to increase the size. Right, click OK. Right, after that what I am going to do is here I need to J combo box. So here go to the palette. This is a palette. So here you have to find the combo box here. Right, it's a combo box. Right, right. Here what I am going to do is here this two combo box I am going to remove the data. So right click properties. Here this one, select this one. Here this one, model, go to the property model. You have to remove the default part. Click OK. Now it should be empty. This one also, right click properties, select this model, backspace to remove all. Click OK. Right, so perfect. Now it will be removed. Right, now here I am going to give this one as a source. This is a departure. Right, so we need two labels. This one should be source, get another label. This one should be departure. Right, perfect. After that we need one J table. So go to the palette. Here you have to get the J table. See this one, you have to drag on the frame. Here you have to get like this. Right, after that what I am going to do is here this is the flight table. These are relevant information available the flight. If the person coming and search the source and departure, relevant flight details should be displayed on this J table. So here these columns we have to add here. Right, so select the J table, this one, right click, table contents, columns. First one should be flight number or ID, anything, flight number. After that flight name. After that source. After the departure. After that I am going to add another column, set. Right, this one should be this one, departure time and arrival time. Right, here deep time, right, time, arrival time. After that finally charge. Right, that's the thing we have needed. Now it's closed. Now here relevant details should be added. Now what I am going to do is this rows we know needed. So right click table contents, go to the rows. We have to select this first row, delete, second delete, third delete, this one, all stuff you have to delete. Now you can see the blank one. Right, Now these are the information available, right? After that, what I am going to do is here we have to do the another important stuff is here we have to get another panel. Here we have to customer details, this one, this customer details, customer details we have to, here we have to display, right? Now here before add the customer details we have to generate the ticket number, auto generate ticket number. So here we have to get one label here, this one we have to write this one as a ticket number. This auto generated ID here generated. Now here we have to drag one label here, we have to change the name as ticket number. We have to increase the size of that one, right click, properties, font, this one, that increase the width bold, increase as 24, and color we have to set as red. Click OK. Right, that's the stuff we have to write. After that, what I'm going to do is here here we have right. Now after that we need one panel, panel. So here go to the panel, add another panel here. This panel we have to name it, this panel customer information. So customer information, right? This panel I deleted. Earlier also I dragged one panel, so right. Now here this panel I'm going to add the customer information, right here, right. This one should be customer ID, you have to change if you want to search the customer ID here as well. So here I have to drag one text box for display the customer, right? This one you have to write. This one should be first name of the customer, last name of the customer, last name and passport number. I need another column for passport number, this one for passport number, right? Right, now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to drag the labels, the same thing I am going to display here, 1 2 3. I'm going to increase the size of that little bit, select 3, hold on the control key and select these 3 labels and right click, properties, font size I have to with bold, change it as 14th, with color I am going to change it as this red color only. Okay, right, perfect, right, this one should be perfect. Now this is the customer. After that we need another panel for here. This one should be the flight information, so what are the information available the flight? So you have design flight ID, flight name, here also departure, flight ID, flight name, you have to write as a departure time, class we need, and price needed, and sheets we have to book the sheets, how many sheets you are going to book, right? Very simple system I'm going to made in airline reservation. It's a very simple system for beginners, this system. So here this one should be, we have to change it as flight number. This is a flight number, right? Flight number. This one should be flight number, flight name, this one should be departure time, right? Other relevant information will be available here. Just this simple information I'm going to give here. After that, class, you must change it. You have to give the class, select the class. After that, you have to price, relevant price should be display of the flight. After the sheets, these are the relevant sheets, how many sheets you are going to book, right? This is relevant information, right? Now you have to set the alignment, right? This one should be, you have to drag the labels. This one should depart time, you have to drag the label. Class, we need a combo box, we have to select this one. These records are displayed from here, this table. So here display here, classes, right? You have to, right? After that, price, we need a text box for here, and sheets, we need this one. We need a spinner tool. This tool we have need. This is the best tool, right? Select the sheets. Very simple. Finally, we need a button for book, and we need a buttons. So we need 2 buttons here. Book ticket, booking, book, right? We need another button for cancel here, cancel, right? Perfect. Now let's deselect this one. Hold on the control key and select all. These three things selected. Right click, properties, foreground color, you have to make it as this one, same color you have to give. After that, width font, you have to change it as a 12 bit bold. Perfect. Now we have designed the ticket, right? Now we have to do the another stuff. We successfully designed the ticket form. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to the phmyadmin. Here I am going to create the table, which is a ticket table. So here, go to the relevant database, Airline. Here I am going to create the database table as ticket. How many columns we need? We have to give here. We need only 7 columns, right? This one should be the ID, ticket ID, voucher. This one should be the flight ID, here we have to voucher. This one should be cost ID, voucher. This one should be class, voucher, price, int, sheets, select the data type int, finally date. That should be must, voucher, right? This is the columns we have to create. After that, click save, right? We successfully save the ticket table, right? I hope you understood so far. In my next tutorial, I will be teaching the rest of the parts. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.